Good morning, students. The topic is abstract data type. First, what is data structure? Data structure is a way of storing and organizing data so that it can be used efficiently. The data can be stored either in computer's memory or in secondary storage. Some of the examples of data structure are linked list, queues, arrays, stack, trees, and hash table, etc. You can classify the data structure into two different types, primitive data structure and the other one is non-primitive data structure. Primitive data structures are the basic data types, whereas the non-primitive data structures are created using the primitive data structures. Non-primitive data structures can further be classified into two categories, linear and non-linear. What is linear data structure means? The elements are stored in a sequential order. Example, arrays, linked list, stack, queues and so on. Whereas in non-linear data structure, the elements are not stored in sequential order. Example for this type are trees and graphs. Some of the operations that can be performed on data structures are traversal, search, insertion, deletion, sorting, and merging. We come into the topic abstract data type. So, what is abstract data type? Okay, so it is the way we look at a data structure focusing on what it does, and you can ignore how it does its job. It is a triple of set of domain, set of functions and axioms. Here, what is to be done is mentioned, but how it is to be done is not mentioned. So some of the examples for abstract data types are stack, queues, linked list. Abstract data type operations, the type of operations that can be performed using ADT are create, display, insertion, deletion and modification. What are the advantages of using these ADTs means? It is reusable, it reduces coding efforts, encapsulation ensures the data cannot be corrupted. So with this we have completed abstract data type. So thank you all.